Ever feel like your entire business starts to fall apart the moment you get a few clients? One week you're drowning in the DMs. The next, you're too busy working with them to continue marketing yourself. And then suddenly, no more leads, no more sales, and you're starting over again. That's the trap that most coaches are stuck in, and it's exactly why they stay broke even when they have great content. Most coaches are doing everything manually. Creating content, chasing leads, closing deals, and delivering the actual program. And then they wonder why they can't grow. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to break out of that cycle. I'll walk you through the exact system my clients use to automate 90% of their lead follow-up, book 5+ qualified calls per week, and fuel the entire machine with just one TikTok video per day. If you've been grinding nonstop to keep the sales coming in, this is the system that's gonna buy your time back and scale your income. Let's get into it. Every successful coaching business is built on just 3 pillars. The first is content or traffic to market yourself and attract leads. The second is conversations and sales to turn those leads into paying clients. And the third is coaching and fulfillment to deliver the result and create that transformation that your clients paid for. It sounds simple, right? But here's the problem. Most coaches are a one-person show. So when they don't have clients, all of their focus is on the first pillar, posting more content, marketing, and getting as many leads as possible. Then they get a few people in their program. Their income goes up and they have to shift their focus and their time to pillar 3, which is client delivery. But the moment they are deep in fulfillment, working with their clients, the lead flow tends to dry up because the time they were spending to create content is now being used to serve the clients that just hired them. Now they're working in the business instead of on the business. Even if they keep putting the time into the marketing and the sales, they're not able to keep the revenue consistent because eventually all those leads are going to start to dry up because they're not creating the content that brings new people into their world. And suddenly, they're back at zero. This is the vicious cycle that keeps coaches stuck between $5,000 and $10,000 a month and never growing. One month you're booked out, the next month you're out chasing leads again. If you've been on that roller coaster before, you're not alone. And honestly, it's not your fault either. The real problem is that you're trying to do all 3 of those jobs manually. And that model simply doesn't scale. It keeps coaches broke. So what's the fix? It's not about working more, it's about working smarter. It's about building a system that runs and does work for you even when you're serving your clients. And the first thing that you have to do is free up some time. Because if you don't have time, you can't create content consistently, which means you can't scale and you can't serve your clients at the level that they deserve. And that was the case for so many of my clients. Even after we solved their traffic problem and started getting them consistent leads, they were still feeling overwhelmed. They were spending hours per day in the DMs following up with cold leads. Posting content felt like a full-time job. Chasing leads felt like a full-time job. And coaching clients actually was a full-time job. It's honestly no wonder they were stuck. So we asked ourselves this question: what if you only had to talk to people who were ready to talk about your offer? That's when we started building automated follow-up systems. We created text message automations that sound just like the coach. Warm, personal, conversational, and they follow up with the leads until they actually reply. That alone frees up hours every day. Now, instead of spending all of our time chasing leads, our clients were able to spend their time closing them. And more importantly, they had time again to create content, to fuel their funnel, and to actually grow their business. Let me walk you through exactly how we built this follow-up system. That way you can use it in your own business. All right, we're inside of GoHighLevel, which is the system that I use to create this automated system. And I'm gonna walk you through this actual automation here in a second. But first, I wanna explain to you why we actually use text message automations in order to turn our content into clients. One of the most common ways for coaches to get leads and book calls is to use a VSL, webinar, or some sort of video training. And so they're going to hit a page like this, they're going to enter their contact information, they're going to opt in. And then traditionally, the old way is that they would go to a page that had the video and had a call to action for them to book a call. Now, I've been building coaching funnels for myself and my clients and helping coaches scale to 6 figures per month for over a decade now. And this used to work really well back in the day. But the problem is that as time goes on and more people are exposed to marketing strategies, they start to get a little bit more savvy. They start to understand what's up and what's happening and how you as a business owner and a marketer are trying to get them to buy your stuff. And because of that, everybody knows that your strategy call or your consultation isn't actually a free thing to help them. It's a sales call. And so they need a little bit more in order to sign up. They're not just going to sign up automatically. And that's why so many people create a webinar or a VSL trying to automatically book calls, and they just beat their head against the desk because it doesn't work. People just don't do it anymore. So what we do now is we've actually changed this. We still send them to that free training. We get them to sign up. They still get to watch it, but then we use a series of text messages to have a conversation with that person and to reach out to them and find out what is the problem they're dealing with. Like, what kind of issues is it creating in their life? How long have they been dealing with this problem? What have they tried in order to fix the problem? And as we find out this information, we're able to help them, and then we get them to book in on your calendar and schedule that call. And because there's this human element with the conversations, they're more likely to book that call, and you're going to book a lot more calls, and a lot more of them are going to show up because they trust you more. Now, the problem with this is not everybody responds to text messages right away. You might have to follow up with them 2, 3, 4, 5, even 7 times before they actually start having that conversation for you to book in the call. And so if you're only texting them once or even twice, then you're going to miss out on a lot of potential clients that were actually interested. It just wasn't the right moment. You didn't catch them at a time where they could sit and talk to you. So what we did is created a 1-week follow-up automation inside of GoHighLevel that is going to follow up with those leads for you until they respond. And before I found GoHighLevel, we had to do this all manually because every software out there that I found that you could send the text messages to leads with only allowed you to send one automated message. But once we started using HighLevel, we were able to create these more complex automations that allowed us to follow up with people multiple times over multiple days and sequence and space out the messages so that way they felt natural. And so what we would do is right after they opted in, we would send them the first message that's delivering the thing that they signed up for, that video training, that ebook, whatever it is that you offered them as a lead magnet. And then we send a follow-up question a minute later. We send another follow-up 30 minutes later, and then we start doing it every day or every couple of days until they finally respond. And the important thing with this automation is that we're always asking open-ended questions, because when you ask questions, people are more likely to respond. And we also want to make it look as natural as possible, like you, the coach, are actually texting them. And so we're going to send them messages like this that say, hey, hopefully I'm texting the right person. Is this Mike? And I'll tell you that this message right here is one of the most effective ones that we use. We get a really high response rate on this. And so as your leads come in from your content or your paid ads or whatever you're using, they're going to go through this sequence, and it's going to keep sending them messages until they respond. The minute they respond, a couple of things are going to happen. The first thing is they're going to be pulled out of this automation so they don't start getting more of these robotic questions that sound awkward when you're trying to have a real conversation with them. But the next thing that's going to happen is those leads are going to be brought into this opportunity pipeline so you can stay organized and know who you're talking about. And the minute that person replies to one of those questions, it's going to move over here to lead responded, and you're going to be notified so you know that you can reach out and start having a conversation with them. And you'll simply click view conversation like this, and you're going to be able to talk to them right here in the desktop app or on your phone app and just have that conversation like you would a normal text message conversation with your friends. Now, if you want to implement this system into your own business, you don't actually have to learn how to do this and build it all yourself. I've already built the entire thing for you, and you can get it for free using the link in the description below. You literally just sign up for free, and with one button click, it will upload everything into your own GoHighLevel account. Plus, you get a whole bunch of bonuses that I designed to help you launch faster and start getting clients ASAP. The first is called 5-minute funnels for coaches. It's a mini training that shows you how to customize and launch your funnel without getting stuck in tech hell. You'll also get the fast start checklist. This is a visual step-by-step guide to help you set up our entire client conversion system inside of your GoHighLevel in under an hour. And finally, you're going to get my content to client system. This is my exact strategy with all of the automated templates for turning your views on TikTok or YouTube into booked calls using the pre-built systems that I'm giving you. Once you've set up the funnel and the automations and bought back your time, the question becomes, what do you do with all that time? And it's simple. You use it to serve your clients, and you use it to create content that fuels your automated system with new leads every single day. Now, maybe you already have an audience on Instagram or YouTube or something like that. And if that's the case, awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. But if you're starting from scratch or you just want to grow faster, TikTok is the fastest way to grow your audience and get views and drive more traffic to your offer. And that's true even if you have 0 followers today. There's not enough time in this video to in-depth teach you how to start growing your audience and making money on TikTok. But if you want to learn about that stuff, you can get tons of simple strategies from just about any video on this channel. Or you can go grab my free 30-day guide in the description. But there are some important things that I want you to know about TikTok because it only takes one video per day to start getting clients every single week. But in that video, you need to make sure that you're doing one thing. You need to make sure that you're shifting beliefs. See, when people say that you need to sell in your content, most coaches picture hard selling, pushing their program, talking about features, dropping discounts. But that's not what actually works. Selling in your content actually starts with helping your viewers start to see things differently. Because if they're not buying from you, it's not because they hate you. It's not because they don't like your content or it isn't valuable. It's because they don't yet believe something that they need to believe in order to make a buying decision. So your job as a creator is to do one of these 4 things I'm about to tell you in every single video you create. You either need to solve a real problem that your client is facing or help them take the first step to solving that problem, or you need to pre-handle a common objection that's holding them back. Like,
I can't post 1 video per day on TikTok, even though it's not that difficult, because I don't have enough time.
You'll notice that's one of the things I did in this video. I helped you overcome the I don't have time objection so you can start doing this and posting that 1 video per day to scale your business like crazy. The third thing that you can do is shift a limiting belief that is keeping your viewers stuck. And the fourth one is to point to your offer as the next logical step that they need to take to get the result that they want. Let me give you an example of how you can do these things in your content. Most people that want to lose weight think that cardio is the answer. So they do cardio, they hate every minute of it, and then they quit and they never get the results. So if I'm an online coach who's selling a strength training based program, then I need to break that belief that you have to use cardio in order to lose weight. So I might say something like this in my content. Cardio isn't just boring, it is one of the least effective ways to lose weight. You have to run for a long time and you're only burning calories during that time that you're working out. But with strength training, it's a shorter workout and then your body burns calories for over 24 hours after the workout in order to build and repair your muscles. Plus, the more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism gets, which means you're burning more calories all day long, even when you're sitting around being lazy watching Netflix. Boom! New belief installed. And that belief aligns perfectly with the solution that I'm offering in my weight training program. When you start doing this consistently in your videos, you don't just create views, you create trust. You move people. And when somebody's mindset shifts because of you, they'll follow you, trust you, and eventually they're gonna buy from you. Then with the content working, it's time to put the final piece of the puzzle in place. The funnel that turns your views into clients. Let me show you exactly how that works. All right, we are back inside of GoHighLevel so that I can show you the exact funnel that I recommend for turning your views into clients. I mentioned earlier that one of the most popular ways that coaches book calls is to use a VSL or a webinar or some sort of video training like that. And it's exactly what I would still recommend that you use. You just want to pair it with our automations. That way you can book more calls, save more time, and make it more effective and more profitable. And just like those automations and this opportunity pipeline that I showed you earlier, you're able to upload this entire thing for free into your system using the link in the description. And I want to show you a couple of the features and then how the funnel actually works. And so first off, I love the split testing feature. I am a marketer at heart, and being able to go and test different headlines or different bullet points or different calls to action inside of your landing page is going to help you increase the conversions. It's going to allow you to get more people to sign up for your VSL or the free thing that you're giving away. And this might not seem like a big deal, but I have seen where just changing the headline of your page can actually double the amount of leads you get from the exact same amount of people that actually visit the page. But let's talk about what the funnel actually looks like. This is very simple. We're just going to have a nice headline that is going to talk about what they're going to get out of the training. We're going to maybe overcome an objection they might have, like being a beginner, even if you're starting from scratch is what I put here. And then we're going to use a simple video, just a minute or two of you explaining what it is that they're getting in the training. And then we have the button, the pop-up, the opt-in field, and all of the legal requirements that you need to have to be compliant and not get in trouble already built out for you. So you can literally just take this out of the box, update the text, and start getting leads today. And my 5-minute funnels for coaches mini training is going to show you exactly how to edit this thing in like very little time. Once somebody opts into your funnel, they're actually going to go right into that automation and they're going to be added to this pipeline that I showed you earlier. That way you can keep them organized. And while all that's happening automatically in the background, they're going to go to this page where they're going to be able to watch the actual training that you put together. And y'all, I don't want you to overthink this. There's a lot of people out there that are selling you, VSL scripting services and all of those kind of things. But if you're using these text message automations and you're having conversations with these leads and booking people onto calls, the substance of your content in your VSL doesn't matter as much as you think it does. It doesn't have to be perfectly scripted. You can just take your iPhone and record a video that talks about the different pillars of your program and how you help people overcome certain problems to get that result, and just walk them through it and share a few examples or stories from your clients, and that is going to work just fine because we're powering this with content. You already have trust because they're watching your videos, you've been giving them value, and you've been shifting their beliefs. And so all this needs to do is provide some more value and show them the way. That way, when you're talking to them, they're more likely to book that call. And if you scroll down, we already have it all set up so that if people do want to book a call, they can click this button and they can book the call right there on the page. And we've already built this booking system for you. And when you upload these resources into your GoHighLevel, this call booking system is already built out for you. Everything is made to be easy to use right out of the box. You can have it set up in under an hour. And our fast start checklist is going to make it easy for you because it's visual. It has step-by-step pictures and text so you know exactly what to do to get it set up without getting lost and without needing tech support or to hire some specialist to do it for you. So if you're ready for a proven system to start turning your views into clients and to start automating part of this marketing and sales process so you have more time to grow your business and create content, then use the link in my description to sign up for free and get all of these bonuses. And if you need help creating the content and getting the traffic into your new funnel, you know what to do. Just subscribe to my channel and start checking out the videos.